Hey, what's happening guys? Mike Moo here. In this video, I'm sharing with you one of the latest finds that I found on Amazon by VKO. It is an attachment metal hand grip for your Fujifilm X100F, X100T, and X100S digital cameras. It basically comes with the grip, which I'll show you in a bit, but what I thought was interesting was they gave us $1 Chinese in there to screw that one single screw on. As you can see, it's actually a really nice looking grip. The one I have here is called carbon fiber, but really it is just a carbon fiber sticker that is just pasted right there on the right side of the grip. It's completely made of aluminum. It feels pretty well made actually, and really specially designed. However, we'll go over a little bit more about the design a little bit. So this costs about $39.99 and it is currently out of stock right now. I think I bought one of the few that are left, and it says it's supposed to fit the X100F, X100T, and the X100S. As you can see here, the battery door opens up with no problem whatsoever. There is just a little bit of a hindrance over there, but it looks like if you're using it with some of the other ones, there's two different positions you can put the screw in, so that should handle it just fine. Over to the right a bit, you see that there is actually a little tripod socket, which I'll talk to you a little bit more about that later. That is 1/4 inch, of course. So I was planning on using a quick release plate. In the hand, it definitely improves the grip, right? I'll give it that. However, I'm finding that the grip is not very comfortable for my hands. And yes, I have man hands because I'm a full-grown man. And I'm finding that this is probably better designed for someone with smaller hands. So it looks really cool, and the edges look really sharp, and they do feel really sharp in my hand. So I found that the ergonomics is a bit lacking there. That is one major issue that I have with this grip. So this is more of a personal preference thing. I think you really won't know unless you go ahead and try it out yourself, unfortunately. But for me, it's just really sharp on the edges for my fingers, and I can't see myself wanting to use this even if it does give me a little bit of extra grip on the side. It's just too uncomfortable for me. It also, at the bottom, which I'll show you in a bit, actually has a little section there on the bottom left-hand side. It has a little section where you can stick in a little bit of a strap there so that you can kind of hang it from the side. But here's the other part where I take issue with is, again, that tripod socket. It's non-standard length or depth. So I've tried many different quick release plates in there, and I can't actually ever screw it in there tightly. I wish that it was just 2 millimeters deeper, 2 or 3 millimeters deeper. Maybe I need to take out a drill and drill it in there to get it to work. Unfortunately, this isn't going to work out for me. I just don't find it comfortable for my hands. I think I have relatively large hands, I guess, just minimally large, just above average large hands. And I find that this is not comfortable for me at all. And on the bottom, of course, I wish there was an Arca Swiss built in on the bottom. That would have solved my issue with the little tripod socket. So for those reasons, I'm not going to keep it myself. But if you have smaller hands and you probably don't use a tripod much, this could work out well for you. All right, I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like and subscribe and share, and I will catch you in the next video. Happy shooting!